Welcome, friends, to Quick Flicks. Today, we are embarking on a journey to one of India's most sacred and mysterious sites, the Arunachalam Temple in Tamil Nadu. This isn't just a temple, it's a place steeped in myth, legend, and unexplained phenomena. Get ready to uncover the untold mysteries of Arunachalam. The Column of Fire. One of the most famous legends is about Lord Shiva appearing as a massive column of fire at the summit of Arunachala hill. According to the legend, Brahma and Vishnu argued about who was the greatest. To settle the dispute, Shiva appeared as a huge flame and challenged them to find the top and bottom. They searched but couldn't find either. This flame represents Shiva as infinite and beyond understanding. The main lingam in the temple is called Agni Lingam, which means the lingam of fire. The living mountain. Arunachala hill itself is considered a living lingam, a physical manifestation of Lord Shiva. It is known as Agni Lingam, representing the element of fire. Millions of pilgrims walk around the hill every full moon, a practice called Girivalam. They believe this cleanses sins and brings spiritual liberation. The Arunachala hill lies behind the Arunachaleshwar temple, and is associated with the temple of its namesake. The Thousand-Pillared Hall. The Thousand-Pillared Hall, built during the Vijayanagara dynasty, is an architectural marvel. Each pillar is intricately carved with mythological figures and cosmic symbols. Some people say certain pillars have divine energy that protects or blesses those who meditate there. It is believed that the Gopurams are aligned with celestial constellations and that each one has a hidden, cosmic significance. Ardhanarishwara. One of the most interesting forms of Shiva in this temple is Ardhanarishwar, where he merges with Parvati, half man, half woman. This form symbolizes the perfect balance of masculine and feminine energies, representing the unity of opposites. It reminds us that we all have both energies within us, and balance is key for spiritual growth. Tallest towers. The Arunachalam temple has very tall gateway towers called Gopurams. The tallest tower is the Eastern Tower. It has 11 stories and is 66 meters high. This makes it one of the tallest towers in India. Temple's religious significance. This is one of the Panchabhuta sthalams, representing 5 natural elements. The element of fire is manifested in Arunachaleshwar. The other elements are earth, water, air and sky. The temple has 6 daily rituals that starts from 5:30 am and ends at 10 pm. The Kartika Deepam festival is celebrated during the day of the full moon between November and December, when a huge beacon is lit atop the hill. History of Arunachaleshwara Temple. The Arunachaleshwara temple history dates back to ancient times. The inscriptions reveal that it was built by Chola kings in the 9th century. Between 850 CE to 1280 CE there were also inscriptions from the rule of Vijayanagara kings. The temple complex covers 10 hectares, which is one of the largest in India. Conclusion. Arunachalam temple is more than just a religious site. It's a place where the veil between the earthly and the divine feels thin. Whether you are a spiritual seeker or simply curious about the mysteries of the world, Arunachalam is sure to leave a lasting impression. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Quick Flicks for more explorations of the world's most fascinating places. Thanks for watching.